Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create an account on Zoho app. So first of all we have to just go to the Zoho app and download it from Play Store. After that we have to just click on it, and once we are over here we have to just click on sign in, and you have to wait until you have just come over here. But you can see over here you have just created your account over here in order to just sign in over here, and my account is not created, so I have to go back from here and I have to just click on sign up. Once we are over here we have to just give our full name over here, and then email address, and after that we have to just create our password over here, and after that we have to just write the phone number over here, and we have to just click on get started, or you have to just click on to agree the terms and condition. You can see that my account has been just creating over here, and it will just send a OTP towards the registered number, and we have to just write it over here. After that we have to click on verify, and you can see over here that the account is just creating on Zoho app, and you can see that my account has been just created, and you have to just wait until the data has been downloaded from the server. And that's all. You can see that account has been just creating over here. You have to just enable it to appear on the top, and that's all. My account on the Zoho app has been just created. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know on the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.